Wait lang.
Ayun na, okay na.
Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be introducing our project named the Help Desk Ticketing System. The main purpose of this system is to help organizations manage support requests more efficiently, and it allows users to create, assign, and track tickets based on their department and role. We implemented role-based access so that admins, supervisors, officers, and junior officers all have different levels of control. Tickets are also organized by department, ensuring that users only see what's relevant to them. Each ticket includes important details like severity, status, and remarks. The system helps manage the full life cycle from creation to resolution. Overall, our goal was to build a secure, organized, and user-friendly way to handle support issues within our organization.
So, before we proceed to our system, i-explain ko muna kung ano ang mga user roles. So, sa system namin is merong admin, supervisors, and junior officers. May kanya-kanya silang access level. So, explain nyo lang isang member namin mamaya. So, sa department, kada 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 employee or users, isa lang yung department nila. So, next.
Naging ka na nerd sa ano? For officer and junior officer.
Okay. Kaya officer tayo ng IT. So sa ticket life cycle, sino sa ticket life cycle?
Ako. And for the ticket life cycle, the officer can send and track their specific ticket for their concern. For example, the user have a problem about his computer. They can send a ticket for a replacement for his computer. At yung punta tayo din sa may ano, sa severity. Yung sa severity naman, dito nyo madedefine ng officer kung gaano kalala yung situation or concern niya sa computer niya. And yung sa department, dito naman niya i-send yung ticket kung saan mapupunta yung department or kung saan sakop yung concern niya. Tapos,
Okay.
mag-ano ka, nerd, maglagay ka ng request ng ticket or ano, title and then description.
Okay. Monitor blue screen. Then for the description,
New replacement for computer.
yung replacement
Yung replacement.
for the computer. Okay.
Then, create ticket.
Kahit na tayo, okay? Then,
And then, as you can see, mapupunta yung ticket na yun dito sa makikita dito sa sa grid na kung para matrack niya yung ano niya, yung request niya yun.
okay. So, sa access and action logic naman.
Now, let's talk about access and action logic. First, sinabi ni Mr. Philip kanina na we have different types of roles. Then, let's talk about first sa supervisor. So, first, user only see tickets in their own department. Then, everyone sees critical tickets but only supervisor can assign user na dun sa role na yon. So, magbigay tayo ng isa example, yung siyan, officer ng IT, mag-a-assign siya ng isang ano sa kanyang junior officer. Bale, papakita po ni Mr. Bernard na i-assign niya yun. So, dito, yan, napapalitan din yung progress. Pwedeng in progress, yung ticket na inano nung may problema or pwede rin open, pakita mo muna yung status. Yung sa, yan. So, example, in progress na, resolve, pag okay na yung sinadyan ticket, tapos close kapag na, as in, totally okay na. Then, doon na po sa i-assign naman. So, dito, yan, maa-assign niya yung, tulad nun, si Bernard yung pinaka-admin nung, as in, whole nung pinaka-system. Then, pwede niyang i-assign sa supervisor, ay sa junior officer. Yan, pa-assign na lang kay junior officer. Yan. Then,
Do not
Makiki-
have permission sa yung ticket. So, ibig sabihin kasi si Officer IT, hindi siya pwede mag-assign. Si supervisor lang pwede. So,
log out mo muna, then open mo muna yung
Log out.
supervisor. Okay. Dito ipapakita niya na ilalagin niya yung account ng supervisor.
okay.
Then mag-a-assign siya ulit ng ano. Yan.
Saan natin pa? Okay, updated. So, makikita dito, assigned to junior officer.
Yes. So, sa ticket interaction,
Okay, sa ticket interaction naman, add the remarks with timestamp user identity. So, dito yun, example, here. Makikita natin yung remarks. Dito makikita natin din dito yung ito si Super IT, Supervisor IT, nag-assign siya ngayon kay Junior Officer. So, example, these remarks is for the collaboration. So, pwede lahat makita in the same department. Example, hello. Mag-a-add siya. Tapos, example, mag-open tayo ng ibang account, which is the junior IT. So, makikita dyan. Mag-assign siya. So, meron din kaming ticket, notification dito. So, natin natin to. So, makikita din dito. Pwede ka din mag-remarks dito. Example, hi. Okay. So, ayun. Then, ngayon, meron din kaming for the in supervisor can delegate tickets to other department. It means that si supervisor pwede siya mag-assign, pwede siya mag-transfer ng ticket sa ibang department. Example, si supervisor kay finance. Example, ito, kay tayo ng ticket. Example, mga example lang sa finance. Budget.
parang ano, yung hindi pa na ano yung loan, ganun.
Loan.
Follow up ng loan.
Follow up. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Example, for finance. Then, yan, makikita natin. And example, gusto natin to i-transfer sa IT. Pag transfer natin, yan, ita-transfer siya ngayon doon. So, open natin si sa IT. Open tayo ngayon. So, ngayon makikita na yun dito. Ayan siya. Tapos dito din. Ayan. Tapos yung iba pa naming dinagdag is we have sa dashboards. The total ticket, unassigned, tapos yung tickets mo. Then sa tickets, meron din tayong search sample, monitor screen. Yan, makikita yan yan. Tapos meron din tayo kung gusto po, open lang. Tapos, low, like filters, yan. Yan. Tapos, nag-add din kami ng sa dark mode. Yun, yun lang po.
Notifs.
And sa notification din. Thank you po. Yan.